I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the form and immediately linking it to a Google Sheet so responses flow in real time. Once linked, the sheet creates timestamped rows. Make sure headers match the questions exactly so formulas work. You should create a backup copy now and set a clear tab naming convention. This first step prevents lost data and lets you treat the sheet as the single source of truth for processing, filtering, and reporting later. You next transform raw responses into usable data by applying filter or query to limit rows by date, status, or question answers. This simplifies downstream steps. Once done, normalize timestamps and split multiple choice or comma-separated fields into separate columns so calculations work cleanly. You can build pivot tables for quick aggregates and use import range when consolidating multiple form sheets. You finish by automating delivery and access. Set notification rules for new responses, add a time-driven trigger or app script to export CSV or push to another system, and share the sheet with stakeholders using explicit view or edit permissions. Once automated, protect critical ranges so formulas aren't overwritten. If things go wrong, make sure the form is still linked to the correct sheet, check sharing permissions, and review any active filters or frozen ranges that might hide rows. That single check solves most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.